But tonight, we're here to celebrate our doggedness. We're here to celebrate our strength of character. Tonight, we're here to celebrate the new... Can I read? Say something about me. Mad woman, crazy woman, wild woman, ìjọ̀gbọ̀n woman, ẹnu lórí wọn lọ́wọ́, tó bá débi ìjà sálọ. Ìrọ̀lẹ́ rẹ̀ pa.
Who made this day possible. And I want to say a big thank you to my team. And I will not say anything except my partner for this business, Mr. Adekola for Queen Lateefah, except he comes up here. We are the celebrants. It's Adekola Femi. Please kindly give him a round of applause. Kindly give him a round of applause. Thank you so much. I want to use this video to thank everybody here. We are just starting, okay? I know you've been here for a while, and this is the time they brought me in. Left to me, I would have wanted to call me earlier than you imagine. And to the cast and the crew of Queen Lateefah, this is our work. Can you come on board? Can you come on board? I want to say thank you. Am I giving a vote of thanks or what am I saying? I'm just welcoming you. Thank you so much for everyone who came far and near. I want to appreciate you. My brother, Sam Toriola and Keila Toriola, all the way from the United States of America. My friend, Oilola Giwa. A lot of people are here. My colleagues, Odun Adekola Femi. I don't know. I don't want to mention names. You people are amazing. My film colleagues, my movie people, please give yourselves a round of applause. You are supporting. And I like the fact that we are carrying the banner high. Irrespective of who is looking at us, we keep doing it. Irrespective of who is supporting, we keep doing it. I say thank you so much. I am grateful and indebted to you all. And to my cast member, Kule, oh my God, where is Kule? Kule has been amazing. Amazing guy. A lot of people are here, I cannot mention names. But trust me, I am grateful. Thank you so much once again to the cast and the crew of this amazing movie, Queen Lateefah. Earlier this year, I stepped into the filmmakers office, and there was no connection, nothing. I just knew the office and I went to the office. I shared my vision with Mr. Adekola, the CEO of filmmakers distributors, and Mr. Adekola took me with Odun. I just gave a synopsis because I have a story written by Joseph. I love you. We were on this story for 2 so we kept going. I walked into the office, I shared my dream. And the doctor was like, okay, we'll get back to you in a week's time. And the following day they got back to me. Come, let's have a meeting. And
after we will take about 1, 2, 3. Take about a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. President General, let's go. Lateefah.
support is